Welcome, friends. Today, I'm here to encourage you and fill your mind with strength. Success isn't just a word, it's a way of living. If you want a better life for yourself and your family, this is your moment. I believe motivation is just as important as hard work. Without motivation, you might give up when things get tough. So, let's talk about how to achieve your dream life, understand failure, and why leaving your comfort zone is important. Why do we fail? How is fear your biggest enemy? And how can you break free from the daily grind to find your true purpose? Most importantly, how can we rise above all of this? As we go through this, pay close attention to what I say. Not only will you feel inspired, but you'll also improve your English. Every word, every sentence will help you get closer to your goals and improve your communication. Chapter 1: Unlock your true potential. Why do failures happen? Failures are not the end, they are the start. Think of a baby learning to walk. They fall many times, but never stop trying. Failures show you're trying something new. They prove that you're growing. Think of Thomas Edison. He failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. He said, "I didn't fail, I just found 10,000 ways that didn't work." If you fail, celebrate it. You're doing something great. Learn from your failures, figure out what went wrong, and think about how to improve next time. Every failure is a step toward success. Now, let's talk about the comfort zone. Imagine a warm, cozy room. It feels safe, right? But outside that room, that's where the magic happens. Many people stay in their comfort zone because it feels safe. But here's the truth: the comfort zone keeps you small. It stops you from growing. To live your dream life, you need to step out of that comfort zone. Yes, it will be scary, but everything you want is just outside of it. Start with small steps. If you're afraid to speak English, try saying one sentence every day. If you fear failure, take a small risk and see what happens. Each step will make you stronger. Fear is the biggest enemy of success. It whispers, "What if you fail? What if people laugh at you?" But fear is just a thought. It has no power unless you let it. Let me share a story. There was a girl named Emma who was afraid to speak in public. Her hands shook and her voice cracked. One day, she decided to face her fear. She practiced every day. Soon, she became confident. Today, Emma is a motivational speaker. You can overcome your fear by taking action. The more you face your fears, the weaker they become. Start small, but start today. Chapter 2: How to Focus and Understand Money. To change your life, you need focus, discipline, and hard work. Dreams alone aren't enough. Focus is your superpower. Without it, you may feel like you're working hard but not getting anywhere. To focus better. 1. Create a quiet space. Find a place where you can work without distractions. Turn off your phone, TV, or anything else that could interrupt you. This helps you concentrate better and makes your work time more productive. 2. Set small goals. Instead of focusing on a big, overwhelming task, break it down into smaller, more manageable goals. Achieving these smaller goals one at a time will keep you motivated and give you a sense of accomplishment. 3. Use the 25-minute rule. Try working in focused bursts of 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. This is known as the Pomodoro technique. It helps you stay focused for a shorter time, making it easier to concentrate, and the breaks refresh your mind. 4. Visualize your future. Take a moment each day to picture your dream life. Think about the success you're working towards and how it will feel once you achieve it. This visualization keeps you focused on your goals and gives you the motivation to push through challenges. 5. Train your brain like a muscle. Just like you would train your body to become stronger, you can train your brain to focus better. Start with small periods of concentrated work and gradually increase the time as you get better at focusing. The more you practice, the stronger your focus will become. Start with 15 minutes of focused work and slowly increase the time as you improve. Be patient with yourself and give your mind time to focus. Take it step by step and don't rush. How to study like a champion. Studying isn't just about reading books or memorizing facts. It's about understanding and applying what you learn. Here's how you can study like a champion. Active learning. Don't just read passively. Take notes, highlight key points, and explain what you've learned in your own words. Teaching someone else what you've learned will help you remember better and deepen your understanding. Ask questions. Stay curious. Ask questions like, why is this important, and how can I use this in my life? The more questions you ask, the more you engage with the material. Mix subjects. When studying multiple topics, avoid sticking to just one for too long. Switch subjects every hour to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. Healthy body, healthy mind. To keep your mind sharp, take care of your body. Eat healthy, drink plenty of water, and get enough sleep. Exercise for 15 to 20 minutes every day. A healthy body helps support a sharp mind. Chapter 3: Escaping the Rat Race, plus a story to inspire you. Do you ever feel stuck in a never-ending loop? Wake up, go to work, come home, and do it all over again? That's the rat race. Most people stay in the rat race because they're afraid of change. But you don't have to stay stuck. Let me tell you a story about Emma. She was 24 years old, worked as a delivery driver, and lived in a small town. Every day was the same until one day, she met a woman named Sarah. Sarah owned a digital marketing company and was happy with her life. Emma asked her how she became successful. Sarah said, "Success isn't magic. It's hard work, learning, and not giving up. You just have to start." That night, Emma decided not to settle for an ordinary life. Emma didn't have much money, but she had time. After work, she studied digital marketing. She started helping a bakery with its online business, and the owner paid her. That small success gave Emma confidence. 1 year later, Emma quit her job to focus on digital marketing full-time. She worked hard, learned more, and eventually built a successful business. What can we learn from Emma? 1. Start small. Begin with simple tasks or goals. Don't overwhelm yourself with big challenges right away. Small steps make progress easier and more manageable. 2. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Keep working at it regularly, even when it feels tough. Regular effort builds momentum and brings results over time. 3. Take risks. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Taking risks opens doors to new opportunities and personal growth. 4. Success comes from small steps. Big achievements are made through consistent, small efforts. Progress might seem slow at first, but over time, it adds up. 5. Work for it. Change doesn't happen without effort. Stay dedicated, work hard, and be patient. Success is earned through persistence and effort. Chapter 4. Breaking Limits and Building Your Dream Life. Limits are the invisible walls in your mind that stop you from achieving greatness. You might think you're not smart enough or that it's too late to change. But the truth is, the only limits that exist are the ones you believe in. To achieve your dream life, you must break these limits. Here's how. Stop underestimating yourself. Every successful person was once a beginner. Take full responsibility. Don't blame others for your problems. Create your own opportunities. Face discomfort. Success is hard, messy, and sometimes painful. Growth happens when you step out of your comfort zone. You are capable of more than you think. Never stop trying, and keep believing in yourself. Remember, success isn't something that just happens, it begins with a bold decision to think big and act now. It's a journey that requires hard work, courage, and the determination to break through the barriers that hold you back. You will face challenges, setbacks, and doubts, but every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. The key is to never give up, keep learning, and push yourself beyond your comfort zone. Believe in yourself, take responsibility for your actions, and rise above the fear and limits that hold you back. You are capable of achieving greatness, and the journey starts with a single step. Now, go out there and start building the life you've always dreamed of.